Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to the DTC meeting. Can you all hear me? Good, I'm just making sure because, it's after lunch. Did everyone get lunch? Are you guys all paying attention? Yeah, good, thank you. All right, thank you. Thanks, crowd. So, first and foremost, before we get started, the Digital Transformation Council is for the end users, like industrial manufacturers. It is not for our integrators, software sales representatives, etc. So anyone here, an integrator, software sales representative, or hardware sales, anything like that? Vendor? Come on, anyone? What's that? Ooh, that's a hard one. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you for your honesty. Everyone, just give a round of applause for thank you for your honesty. All right. Thank you. We appreciate that. That's great. Okay. You guys good to go? So thank you, everyone, again. So let's click up to the, no, I got it. You guys gave it to me this year. Oh, hey, guys, sorry. That's right. See? But you just knew who I was. Who here doesn't know who I am? You know who I am. Hey, I'm Brian Perlstein. I am from Owens Corning. I am the digital manufacturing innovation leader out of our manufacturing digital transformation team. That's what we call ourselves now, Ben? Yeah, good. See, I got the right title. So change our group name on a weekly basis. It's part of the corporate culture of OC, organizational change. So I've been on the DTC, I don't know, was this going on year 3? And I love it. I think it's a great way for us to connect and engage. So try this. Hey, look, there I am. Didn't know who I am? Now you know who I am. All right. So this is our 2023 annual meeting, and I'm going to highlight that second line there. We are here to exchange ideas with each other. Does anyone in this room not want to engage and participate today? Just want to check. Sure. Because I got the mic, and I'm going to be walking up and down the aisles, and I will be engaging you. And our panelists will be engaging you today. This is about participating. This is about learning from each other. And our standard DTC meetings are all about this. So, Digital Transformation Council, we cross a lot of different industries and sectors. We want to do topics that are meaningful to everybody that is engaged in the organization. So we don't want individual folks here just to go and say, this is what we're going to talk about. It's about the group as a whole bringing ideas together. So please engage, please participate. Knowledge exchange requires collaborative participation. This was my slide. I made them put in last year, asked them put in last year. And that's about how we will drive success of this group. It will die if you don't engage and participate. And I'm asking you, I don't want to have to beg. I don't want to have to harass you. I'm asking you to participate. Raise your hands, engage. How many people here is this your first meeting? Great. Love new blood. Love new ideas. New thought. That's what we want. I want you to bring it to the table. Tell us what you're thinking. Tell us what you're going to do, how you're doing it. And I'm going to say this. You're going to hear a lot of times, a lot of presentations, a lot of panels, people talk about what we've done really, really well. One of the things that we've come to here at the DTC is we talk about what we've done, maybe got to a point of doing well now, but we stumbled a lot along the way. Mike Damasco from Pfizer over there has done a great presentation a couple of times and about data lake. Here's where we stumbled and here's how we got to success. We want to hear those things. So don't be ashamed if, hey, you've done something or you're doing something and you're struggling with it, to talk about it, talk about what you're doing. Might be able to provide feedback, or we might learn something from you. This is our agenda. You guys are stuck here until 4:25. Well, actually, probably 4:30 because it takes 5 minutes for us to close. Those doors are locked. You will not escape. Welcome to the Hotel California. All right, so 2 o'clock, well, this is our welcome and introduction. We're going to do some member business. We're going to talk about nominations, about how you get on the leadership team. Being part of the DTC leadership team, we've changed the name, but being part of that actually requires that you engage, that you sit on panels. It's not a, hey, I'm on the leadership team and I get to go put it on my LinkedIn and tell everyone I'm on this. It actually means you have to be participating and doing things. So that's those nominations will come up. We're going to have a nice, really good interactive panel. Interactive. You guys good with that? Just want to check. Yeah, woo, that's what I want to hear. That after lunch energy. We're going to do some topics discussion. So think about, what is it you guys want to, what would you all, I'm going to try to be gender neutral. So when I'm not, you guys raise your hand and go, that's not gender neutral. Yeah, that was not gender neutral. I know. You know those teams, there's that thing in Teams that will yell at you? Yeah, it has coached me many times. So I'm going to use y'all. So there you go. I heard, and y'all is not acceptable to speaker coach either. So we're going to ask you for some topics. I know that these gentlemen here have some thoughts and a list of topics already, but you know, do they matter to you? What really matters to you, and what do you want to hear? So please engage, talk about that. You know, how do we move forward, right? We don't want to keep talking about IT, OT, integration over and over again. Like, where do we go from here? How do we move forward? These are the kind of things we need to think about. So let's talk about that. Digital transformation, sustainability, breakout sessions, new member sign-up opportunity. New members again? Oh, there we go. A couple of hands. Good. Just making sure you're all still awake. I don't want to put you to sleep. And then we're going to close. So what else we got on here? I looked at these slides. So our mission of the Digital Transformation Council is to enable industry, energy, and public sector professionals to keep abreast of the many emerging technologies and business trends, to learn from others. I'm going to hammer this down, guys. You guys are going to hate me by the time I'm done, but learn from others on similar journeys and to leverage those trends and technologies to achieve transformational growth. Good with that? Good. Because it ain't going to change. Eligibility. I think we kind of had that one gentleman from Honeywell who I really appreciate his honesty. So we talked about who is allowed in this. So anyone? Just last check, because then it becomes a little bit of Mad Max if we find out later. All right. So the team here from our ARC team, they're going to review any of those join requests. And look, it has been a great 3-year run with me being part of this, and I've learned so much. So I'm just going to tell you, join, get others from your organization to join, get others from peers that you know from other organizations to join. It is definitely worth it. I didn't ask about media. Anyone here from the media? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to be on the Sun Times or what are some of those weird magazines. So, all right. I'm not going to belabor this anymore. Everyone good? You all good? All right, great. So we're launched in 2018. Am I doing this one? Or is this one of your guys' slides? You're going to keep doing it. All right. So I don't think we need to really go long on this, but look, we've got more than 2,300 members and a lot of different companies, and it's global. I love the fact we're global, learn a lot of different things, learn about some of the regulations and requirements globally, and just how different people think about it. And I think that's some of the best things. And this is a monthly meeting. Once you're part of the DTC, you'll see there's a monthly meeting. We have those topics. And look, we're going to ask every time for you to participate. Let's not get the same 4 or 5 people up on stage. I know I was saying to someone, I think in 2022, myself and my company, we did 4 of them. 4 out of 12. That's a lot of Owens Corning, a lot of Brian. That's a lot of Brian. Even my wife doesn't want to talk to me that much. So let's please participate, please engage. You all have something very valuable to share with all of us. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh, this is our antitrust stuff. So don't talk about pricing. Don't talk about anything that's in an NDA. Keep it, if it's supposed to be a private, keep it private. Share what you can appropriately share. We do record many of the meetings. We do put those out, so it's in your best interest and the best interest of the rest of the team to do that. So I'm not going to go over this. You all can read. Everyone can read, right? You all can read? I know you can't, but like. There you go.